So guys, I'm gonna take you through the process to install these struts. I've just been sponsored by the team and looking forward to be working with them. They have sent me these 2 struts, 3 air fresheners, 2 brand stickers and a brand t-shirt. So getting into the install, first I went ahead and prepped the new struts by removing the safety clips, which will make sure the struts wouldn't come off after installing. Next, I went straight to taking off the old struts and popping off the old clips, and then the struts easily come out. As you can see, the boot falls on me as soon as the strut is disconnected. However, installing these Emerald Struts are so easy that I just went ahead and did it with one hand. Make sure you hear a click when installing the new Emerald Struts so you know they are secure in place. Last but not least, make sure you put those safety clips back on to make sure the struts are secure in place and would not come off at any point. And there you have it, Emerald Struts in its full glory.